Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's trace and paint them together. S,
Takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi ho the dairy o, the child takes the nurse.
T,
The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi ho the dairy o, the nurse takes the cow takes the dog, the cow
U,
takes the dog. Hi ho the dairy o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi ho the dairy o, the dog takes the cat
V,
takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi ho the dairy o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi ho the dairy o, the mouse takes the cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi ho
W,
the dairy o, the cheese stands alone. Hi ho the dairy o, the cheese stands alone.
X,
All around the mulberry bush, the
Y,
monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes.
C. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color.
All around
S for saw,
the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
S for snake,
Spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
S is for snacks, but don't eat too much. T for tree, T for train, T is for toes, they tickle when you touch. U for umbrella, U for unicorn,
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes
U is for uncle, he's thin as a bean. V for vacuum, V for violin, V is for vacuum, that keeps the house clean. W for whale, W for watch, W's for wishes, you make every day. X fox. X is for xylophone, play it today. Y for yo-yo. Y for yacht. Y is for you. Now you know how it goes. C for zebra. C for zebra. C is for zipper, open and closed. S T U V W X Y Z. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.